My name's Rob Bethea. I'm in Richmond, Virginia, and we've been in business for 2.5 years. I was a marketing and sales executive for a consumer packaged goods company in Richmond, Virginia for about 20 years. As the norms are these days in corporate America, people are leaving and entering that workforce, and I had an opportunity to exit the career that I had for 20 years and pursue my dream of owning a small business. The thing I really liked the most about 5-Star Bath Solutions, I really loved the people that I was meeting along the way. And the other piece of it, the second side of it, was I really enjoyed the work. The idea of being able to get into a customer's home and making a real change within a few days and kind of seeing that before and after picture every single week was very gratifying for me. When I started out with 5-Star Bath Solutions, I didn't know anything about home improvement. My extent of my knowledge was putting together my kids' Christmas toys on Christmas Eve. So to be able to come in and really lean on some of the experiences that I had from a marketing and sales background and apply it in a whole different way was really eye-opening and been gratifying here as I sit here today. No 2 days are the same. You get up in the morning and kind of have an idea of what the day's gonna hold for you, but a lot of things will change, and that really keeps it fresh and exciting for me as I get out and start my day and work to grow my business every single day. One of the things I really like about owning a business in the home improvement industry is I was able to build a team. I've got a group of 5 or 6 people that work for me, and we've really been able to build a nice culture that I feel comfortable calling my own, and not really trying to adopt my personal behaviors to somebody else's culture. My advice to people looking for franchise ownership would be to really drop your preconceived notions of what it's like to own a business. Coming out of corporate America, there were a lot of things different about owning your own business versus working in somebody else's business. I really love the fact that I make what I earn and not make what somebody else thinks I'm worth. I think the thing that's made me most successful was really focusing on executing the plan that was handed to me. I got into a franchise because I didn't feel comfortable hanging a shingle on my own, and I wanted to take somebody who had a good business plan that was working and execute the heck out of it and do the best that I could to put that in place.